Hello there. Certainly a dramatic end to the weekend for some of us, with thunderstorms already developing across parts of Northern Ireland, England and Wales. There is the chance of seeing further lightning strikes as we head throughout Sunday evening. This could be accompanied by torrential downpours, hail and strong gusts as well. Increasingly during the overnight period, our attention also turns to that heavy rain, with the showers merging together into this longer band, pushing across northern England and into Scotland. Potentially 30–60 millimetres of rain in just 3 to 6 hours. That's about half a month's worth for some areas. So certainly there could be some surface water issues, travel issues and localised flooding. So do take care if you are travelling over the next 12 hours or so. For Northern Ireland, England and Wales, the second half of the night will turn drier and we'll see some clearer spells developing. You might get the odd mist and fog patch forming underneath some of those clearer spells, but for all of us it is certainly going to be a humid night. Temperatures in towns and cities holding up around 15 to 16 degrees Celsius. So a wet start to the new working week for Scotland. This band of rain gradually progressing its way northwards. Again, could be some issues during the morning rush hour here. A drier and brighter start elsewhere, but the sunshine is strong and it will help develop those showers as we head into the afternoon. Generally for England and Wales, there'll be fewer showers around compared to Sunday, and we'll see more of those sunnier intervals. But for Northern Ireland and areas of Scotland, we'll potentially see more in the way of those heavy showers. And again, the odd rumble of thunder and some hail is still possible. It will be breezy around coast of the Irish Sea and also the Moray Firth and into the Northern Isles, but those winds are now coming up from a southerly direction, which particularly means for eastern areas of the UK that it will feel a touch warmer compared to recent days now that we've lost the cool, chilly breeze off the North Sea. So climbing to highs of around 26 degrees Celsius across eastern areas. Further towards the west, still around 22–23 degrees Celsius, which is above average for the time of year and certainly still warm if you are out in the sunshine. Come Monday evening, any of those showers that are around will gradually ease their way off, taking longest for parts of Northern Ireland, northwest Scotland, but eventually clearer spells developing here as well. Will remain rather humid for many of us, particularly across southeastern areas of England as we feed in this cloud and rain from the continent. Again, underneath some of those clearer spells, some isolated mist and fog is possible, and temperatures will be holding up around the mid-teens, but we might drop into single figures in some rural locations. As we head into Tuesday, our attention increasingly turns to this area of rain that I'm sure some of you have already spotted. That will be gradually pushing its way northwards. Again, could bring some quite torrential downbursts. Some thunderstorms are also possible, but there is still uncertainty in regards to the exact track and positioning of this rain. So we'll keep you up to date with all the latest details, but it is certainly one to watch out for. And again, some surface water issues are possible throughout the day on Tuesday. It will start drier for Northern Ireland and Scotland, but again into the afternoon, those scattered thunderstorms and heavy showers could develop. Potential for some hail and strong gusts of wind in there as well. So for all of us, Tuesday is certainly a watch day for potential issues and hazards as we move throughout. Generally for the Northern Isles, parts of Lewis and Harris, Tuesday is looking like a better day compared to Monday now that we've lost that cloud, and they'll see some of the best of the sunshine, climbing to highs here of 18 degrees Celsius. Even elsewhere, still around 23 to 26 degrees Celsius. But if we do end up stuck underneath quite some persistent cloud and rain, it's not going to be feeling particularly pleasant at all. As we move throughout the middle part of the week, low pressure that is bringing these unsettled conditions is gradually going to shift its way off towards the north and east. So that will allow this area of high pressure to start building its way in. You can see there are still some showers that want to start bubbling up, but into Thursday there will be fewer of those showers and they'll be less intense, and more of us will get away with a drier and brighter day. We do, though, need to be aware that there is still low pressure waiting in the wings out in the Atlantic, and that will want to push towards us as we move towards the end of the coming week and into next weekend. But we'll keep you up to date with all the details in regards to that and all the other weather impacts as we head throughout the coming few days. You can find all those updates across our social media channels. Download our app as well for all the latest on the warnings and our live radar. And we'll see you again here on YouTube, the app, and on the website very soon. Bye-bye.